China's parliament meeting is underway over the weekend. Officials set their lowest growth target in decades. Eunice Yoon joins us now with more. And interesting defense spending, Eunice, after decades of emphasizing growth, that's up 7%. But let's talk about that at the end if we can, because it's up 7%, but still only about a third or less of what the United States spends on defense.
Yeah, but it was at the fastest pace that we've seen in 4 years. So it does indicate that defense spending is a priority. But back to the economic numbers, I think it's all about managing expectations here. The outgoing premier on Sunday had set the GDP growth target at around 5%. So this is lower than forecast and also lower than what we saw in terms of the target last year. The premier had indicated that domestic demand is key, but also flagged that there are risks for China that he sees, or the country sees, an unregulated expansion in real estate, for example, as well as jobs. So that was reflected also in the unemployment target, which was set at around 5.5%. That's slightly higher than last year, so allowing for more jobs to be lost, at least that they're going to be dealing with that, they're aware. Also, that today the economic planner had flagged another concern of Beijing, and that is debt risk from local governments, saying that these need to be addressed immediately. So the fiscal deficit to GDP ratio was reflecting that, set at 3%, so slightly higher than last year. Also, they announced that the quota for special government bonds that are usually used to fund infrastructure projects is going to be set lower. China revealed the priorities in the budget. Joe had mentioned it. Defense spending up 7.2%, fastest pace in 4 years. Also, a significantly higher increase in diplomacy, up by 12.2%. A lot of that is going to Belt and Road projects. So not necessarily diplomacy with the U.S. and Europe, but in the global south as well as other areas. Science and technology is seeing a rise of 2%. And what was interesting this year was that there was a special fund that was allocated more money for chips as well as advanced technology. That was up by 50%. And it all kind of is aligned with one of the comments that came out of the work report, where the premier said that he is hoping and calling for a whole nation strategy for technology breakthroughs. And there wasn't any mention of any type of competition with another country like the U.S. But obviously, that's the way it's being interpreted.